and I lost. The search for the perfect bag continues.
Hang on a second. Now, if you're like me, you've got Aurebesh downloaded on your laptop, so word of advice, do not capitalize any letters when using the Aurebesh font. You will be bullied mercilessly online. Trust me, it happened to your boy. Be careful out there. But have fun.
The start, your stencil. Take your time and cut cleanly. Quick tip, print your stencil in slightly different sizes so you always have options. I've done this stencil before, so I knew what size I needed, but I still printed the options just in case I changed my mind. You never know. Try to press down as best you can while working. I like to fill the letters in by going across the stems back and forth, sometimes dabbing. Rather than filling the stencil along the long lines of the letters, it keeps everything flatter and I run less risk of bleeding under my stencil. Remember not to cut through any tabs for letters with holes. You can fill those in later by using a straight line from the same letter. Hit it with a few touch-ups and you should be good to go. This stencil is trickier all around. Trickier to size, trickier to cut, and trickier to fill. It's gonna want to fight you wherever you put it, so just make sure it doesn't actually move. A bit of flapping is okay, but make sure the stencil doesn't travel. It's a pain to get it lined back up.
Just to give you a quick idea on how this ages, this one, my old bag, was done in the same way as this one was. So it still looks nice and dark, and so does the the strap. So all that is good. And it will age, just like, you see this bag, like natural weathering. After a couple of years, got aged up a little bit. So that's why I like using Sharpie. Some people are like, why don't you use paint or something like that? I don't want it to look like it's been manufactured in some way. Does that make sense? Like, I want it to feel like I did it. I guess that's why I don't really like licensed products. They kind of they look a little too, there's too much, there's like too many, there's like a patch and like a greebly and like a printing and a this and a that, and it's like it's never all of that at once, not on one piece. It's always a little too much, so this kind of feels a little better. Anyway, that was it.